begin by thanking all those who have made our company possible: customers, suppliers, partners, staff, and in general to this great family named Rivamundo, a distributor company that is the result of a passion for technology in 2018. Thanks to our constant adaptation, we have used the experience and dedication of our team to go from being a small distributor to a global company of diversified activities with the ability to work with any company in the world. From our beginnings, we declare ourselves as a company full of future, for which we will keep our values, such as the ability to be entrepreneurial, to look for the opportunities, to be proactive, and always trying to be one step ahead to keep the talent. Rivamundo Tecnología flagship as our greatest strength, and of course, values such as commitment to our customer with whom we get involved to their maximum in all our projects. For this reason, we have created this e-commerce with greater functionality and content for product display and update information, offering greater resources that bring us closer to our customers and allow them to keep us connected and at their disposal easily and during all the time.